Seedance 2.0 is finally live, and right now, this might be one of the most powerful AI video tools you can try. And what you're seeing right now, these scenes, this is not filmed. This is fully generated using Seedance 2.0. I've been testing it, and honestly, this feels like a completely different level. The motion, the lighting, the way everything behaves, it actually feels real. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access it and create videos like this. So let's get into it. So this is the platform. Just click on the description link and you are on the website. Now hit the free Try Seedance 2.0 and sign in using Google or email. Once you log in, it takes you straight to this dashboard. From here, you can generate videos using text or by uploading an image. Let's start testing it. First, let's try text to video. You don't need complex prompts here. Even something simple works really well. So for this one, I'm using a cinematic kitchen scene, something like a busy restaurant kitchen, chef cooking fast, flames rising, plating food, all in one continuous shot. Choosing Seedance 2.0 Pro Model. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, duration around 10 seconds, and hit generate. And here is the result. This looks insane. The fire, the movement, the camera, everything feels natural. Nothing looks fake. It actually feels like a real filmed scene.
Order up!
Now let's try another one. This time a train station scene. A quiet train station at night with soft fog drifting across the platform, and a lonely man standing at night. Fog, cinematic lighting, slow camera movement. Same settings, and generate. And this is the output. The atmosphere here is crazy. The lighting, the mood, the emotion, it actually feels like a movie shot. From just a simple prompt, this is honestly impressive. Now let's push this even further. Switch to reference generation and upload your image. For this one, I'm using a battlefield tank. Now again, keep the prompt simple. Something like a tank in a war zone, transforming into a humanoid robot, then moving forward through the battlefield. Model, choosing Seedance 2.0 Pro. Set 16:9, duration around 10 seconds, and generate. And here is the result. This is insane. The transformation feels heavy, realistic, like actual metal shifting. The way it moves, the explosions, the environment, this feels like a real war film shot. Now, here's where it gets crazy. Instead of starting from scratch, upload the generated video itself. And now we extend the scene. For the prompt, something like, the robot continues moving, transforms, forms into a helicopter, lifts off, and starts firing in the battlefield. Same settings, and generate. And this is the output. This is next level. It continues perfectly from the previous scene. The transition, the motion, everything stays consistent. This actually feels like a connected movie sequence. This is what makes Seedance different. You're not just generating clips, you're building cinematic scenes. And that's what makes this tool different. You don't need complicated setups, just a simple prompt or even a single image, and it turns it into something that actually looks cinematic. So yeah, if you want to try it out yourself, you can check the link in the description, because once you try it, you'll understand how powerful this really is. And if you want to check out the top 5 free AI face swap tools, watch the video on the left. And to learn more about Seedance 2.0, watch the video on the right.